Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm back, and this time I'm going to show you how to repair a broken screen on an it's a Motorola G7 Power. The LG G7 is the phone that I purchased to replace my Motorola G7. A couple weeks ago, I was riding my bike, and the mount that I had on the bike broke in half, and my Motorola G7 went flying, hit the concrete, and shattered the screen. Now, here is the Motorola now with the new screen. I still have the dent from where it hit the ground, but the screen itself is new. I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. But before we start that, I wanted to tell you that the screen itself is very nice, except for if I push it to 100% brightness, it doesn't seem to get very bright. And as well as if I click on auto brightness, it doesn't make any difference. So I'm not sure whether or not the fall broke the phone or if the screen is defective. I purchased it from China, so it was $25. It was very inexpensive. I'm not going to put blame on them because this phone did hit the ground pretty hard, and there's really no reason why their screen. They said they test them before sending them, and they said they work. I would expect that they would be fine. So I'm going to put the blame on the fall for the broken phone now. That's one of the reasons why I want to tell you real quick. So even if you do break your phone and decide to get it repaired, it may still be broken. And that's kind of the downside to cell phone repairs. It does happen, unfortunately, and then you could spend your money and still end up with a broken phone. Didn't cost me very much, $25 to repair this. So you could probably do the same thing for $25, so it's not so bad. But if you took it to a store, it'd be a little expensive to do. I would recommend purchasing a new phone or a different or used phone like I did with my LG G7, which I went out and purchased another phone on eBay that was never broken and in perfect condition. So anyways, let me show you how to replace this screen. It's not that difficult to do. It'll take a little bit of time. So let's go ahead and start that now. All right, I'll see you there. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and try to replace this screen. So the first thing I have to do is I have to take the screen off. So I got a little heat gun here. Let's heat up the edge here and try to get in the corner first. The process is quite slow to get through to it. So you're going to pull. You pull on it while trying to wiggle it out because there's adhesive there. It's a good idea to wear gloves, so that way if there are any little pieces, it is not little pieces in your finger. So put a pair of gloves on. All right, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and open up this Motorola. Let's go ahead and heat it up. The nice part about this Motorola is that it's a plastic back, so you don't need to worry about it shattering on you. All right, so I have fingerprint sensors here. Now I have access to the ribbon cable here.